Good day everyone. So today we're gonna learn how to make an application letter. So in our previous video presentations, we learned where we can apply for a virtual assistant. And today I'm gonna teach you on how to make an application letter. So the first things that we need to learn when we are writing an application letter. So the first one here is to say something to appreciate the company's unique qualities and your support for their passions and industry. So what you are going to do is to make a quick search about the companies that you are planning to apply and look for their unique qualities that match yours and focus on it. The second one is to state your name and your expertise. It's really important that you state your expertise and make sure that you only mention the expertise or focus with the expertise that you think the clients needs. Then next is to recap what the clients wants you to do, your responsibilities that you can usually find this in their job post, and then focus on their needs. So try to recap when we are writing, try to recap the responsibilities that they are looking for, their needs, and then focus on it. Next is to state what you are capable of. State what you can do to help your clients' needs, improve that you can usually or you are exactly what they need. So that's really important. Next, state what additional tips you can give to your clients. Now, if you don't know about the client's needs, you can make a quick search about it and give some additional tips that you think it can help your client's business. And then lastly, state some other good soft skills, qualities that you think your clients needed from you to improve their business. And lastly, I'm gonna teach you on how you can boost your application letter with artificial intelligence. And I know everyone knows about artificial intelligence. And I'm gonna show you how you can improve your application letter with the help of artificial intelligence. I'm gonna share you this because I know that you spend a lot of time just to write an application letter. Am I right? And if I'm gonna help you to make an application letter quickly, there's a big chance of getting hired as soon as possible. Alright, so just keep watching and stay learned. Alright, so next. Alright, so for this video presentations, I'm gonna use a cell phone for this tutorial. The reason is for you to easily get a job, and you can apply wherever you are anytime you want, and the most convenient way for you to apply for a job. All right, so what we need for this tutorial is the WPS and then notes. This WPS, we're gonna use that where we gonna edit or paste the cover letter, and this notes is where we going to paste the job post at online.ph. Now we're going to Google Chrome, and let's open it, and let us type online job.ph. Yeah, online jobs.ph. So this is what it looks like, the website. And now let's log in. Okay, so this is my account at onlinejob.ph. And now we're gonna search for a job. Let's say I want to work as a social media manager. So let's see what jobs are available for this. Okay, so let us search for social media manager. Then so that's it. As you can see, there's a lot of job offer for social media manager. Okay, they offered a lot of things. You can work as a part-time, full-time. All right, so uh this is one of uh, you know this is one of the reasons why everyone wants to work as a freelancer, is because you can work at the comfort of your home. uh, there's a lot of opportunity out there for social media manager or as a freelance job. Now, how we can apply? Let's say let us apply for social media manager and content creator at BTK. Make our brand boost. It takes us to this page, and we can scan the job overview. Okay, your the rules they are looking for and your responsibilities as a social media manager. Okay, so this is your responsibilities. Okay, even the bonus points, and yeah, the reasons why it's good to work with them, and then the offer, or the offer, how much the salary they offer for this uh, rules. And yeah, if you're gonna apply, just simply click the apply for this job. Now let us check for another rules. Let us apply for social media manager and strategies for jockey looking for a unicorn. So let's see what are the types of jobs. So it is yeah, you can work with them as a part-time. And here's the job overview, water company, and they also provide link here where you can uh, view the introductions of the jobs and the clients, what they promise if you're gonna work with them. Here's the client overview, the client requirements, so software tools or the materials or software you are going to use for this jobs or this rule. And as you can see, they also share link here. That means you can directly apply by clicking that link. What I'm gonna teach you is to make an application letter as quick as we can. So what we're gonna do is to copy the job post, right? And then let us paste it here in our notes, right? So that's it. And now what we're gonna do is to open another link, which is we're gonna open ChatGPT. Okay, so we're gonna open ChatGPT. And I know everyone knows how to use ChatGPT, but if you don't know, just simply log in and yeah, that's it. So now we're gonna use a prompt. Prompt is very important for you to get what you really want or what you really want to ask to ChatGPT. So okay, here's the prompt I frequently use when I every time I am making an application letter. So here's the prompt. I will sending you job posts and I want you to create a proposal letter and help me get the job. Make sure the letter is emotional and highlight solutions to their problem. So here's the prompt I am going to use. So after this, I'm gonna paste the job post that we copy and then paste it here at ChatGPT, then send. So here's the the outcome. All right, so after that we're gonna copy. Okay, we're gonna copy this application letter made by ChatGPT, and then we're gonna paste here in our WPS. All right, so that's it. Now we're gonna arrange this one. I'm gonna edit this one using my phone. Okay, so this is how we're gonna fix this one. All right, so yeah, it takes a little bit more time fixing this, but I used to do this that then keep open my desktop. I don't have my laptop, so I'm using desktop. And then yeah, that's it. So what we're gonna do is to edit the format, the fonts, the font size, and even the space and the the spacing. All right, now we're done. So I'm gonna explain to you the how ChatGPT is excellent and making application letter. As I told you, the first things that we need to learn is to say something to appreciate the company's unique qualities and your support for their passions and industry, right? So as you can see in this letter, you can notice that in this line, your passion for building super teams and fostering a fun, dynamic work environment immediately resonated with me. So for that word, okay, you already appreciate their company, their passion for building super teams, and they are fostering a fun, dynamic work environment. And this is the things that makes you interested for this rule. The second one is to state your name and your expertise. So as you observe in this line, I specialize in crafting compelling narratives that connect brands with their ideal audience. I have experience developing monthly social media strategies, creating engaging posts and reels, and using platform Instagram and Facebook to drive meaningful engagement. So saying that word, you already mentioned your expertise. And then next is to recap what the clients want you to do, like your responsibilities, where is you can usually find to this or their job post. And the best thing about artificial intelligence or ChatGPT, in this line, you can observe that it made it so easy for you. So let us read. Jackie is looking for a unicorn, and I believe I embodied that versatility, balancing creativity with analytics, strategy with executions, and autonomy with collaboration. I understand that as an interior designer, Jackie needs a social media presence that only showcases her work but also tell her brand story in a way that attracts and retains clients. So in this, you recap what the client state on the job post, the responsibilities they are looking for, and you really focus on their needs. That means you emphasize your focus to provide their needs. All right, then next is to state what you are capable of and what you can do to help your clients. So as you can see in this part, it emphasizes your what you are capable of to help your clients, like you're gonna developing a strategic content plan and tailored to her unique brand identity, creating visually appealing and engaging content that highlights her design expertise, collaborating, active engaging, and tracking and analyzing, and more. So you also in this line you already give some additional tips on how you can help your clients to make his or her company or business to improve. So that's it. I am hoping that you learned something today and you can apply it as soon as possible to get clients.